stuff we're talking about.
Were you recording that? Oh, my hair's getting
Well, yeah, I recorded most of it.
What? Most of it?
Most of it.
Most? I don't know.
Most.
Most of it. Most of it. Should we have, like, Martha sitting down there, too? No, it's just like a detention. Detention. Oh, my God.
Alright, now I'm not like gonna move the camera to look at Soul because I'm not getting above his neck. Okay, now, and
I love this book. It looks plain from the side, but then when you put it together, it's all gold and shiny. It's a weird book.
and
And hold on, come in after I twist my sword. And like
this episode was fun.
what? Glitter? Awesome! He could tell! Dr. Stein! What? Yeah. I can't do it.
Okay.
Whoa, they're chalk drawing in the front.
Oh, yes!
Okay,
Did we videotape that?
We're already at a minute, yeah.
We videotaped that?
Yeah.
Awesome! Awesome! You realize you just said it's gonna be a blooper in the bloopers.
whatever.
Let's go.
Bloopers are awesome.
Ike.
Hey, Professor Stein. I'm thinking of pulling a prank on Solo.
Keep going.
Soul.
Hey, Dr.
I have a
Stein.
twin?
Hang on. I gotta think of how to say it. Hey, Dr. Stein. No, that's not right.
Hey, Dr. Stein!
Hey, Dr. Stein.
Yeah. Okay. And
These are the weirdest pictures ever.
okay, everybody ready?
Screw.
Hey, Dr. Stein. I'm pulling a prank on Black Star. Give me something I could use.
You're Black Star.
Dang it! Dang it!
Soul. You're playing prank on Soul.
I'm pulling a prank on
Craziness.
Soul. Craziness. Whoops. Alright.
Okay, you good?
Mhm.
Okay.
Drawing Steins.
You get it at Black Star.
Thanks. Oh, by the way, I'm supposed to be Black Star. Whoa, I have Mickey Mouse ears. Alright, I'm supposed to be Black Star. We don't have a wig for me. This is Maka.
We're lame.
We're just
We're lame.
cool like that.
Stuff.
And then Soul doesn't have a wig either. So,
We're gonna say that Black Star played a prank on him and
dyed his hair and gave him super growth to where his hair is totally grown.
No, it'll be brunette growth hair. So it'll be like, grow your hair brown.
And then he did the same to me, so, you know, I have girl hair too. Yeah. She looks normal. She's Maka.
That's all we call it. Ooh, wait. Bend down. Wait, no, it's the way around.
Yeah. But I still got the tattoo and everything. Alright.
See, look. Jill.
Oh. And then
boy would be on my head. I need to make a Blair.
Good, right?
I wonder if they have one.
should I take my hair out of the bun?
Yeah.
Right here.
Hair bun taking out. Or got a thing from Stein.
So yeah, Stein gave us a potion. No, I think we should better do pranks.
Yeah.
Or no, we both go to Stein for a prank.
And he both gives us you guys the same thing.
Oh, that was loud. Did that hurt? It's so weird. Caleb, what else would it be?
Super growth color changing stuff. And I give you each like a can because I it's
I'm
from
gonna
your
use your
friend.
brush.
I have two. That's fine. I have 2 cans of spray paint, so.
Maka, no phone.
sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm trying to get this face. Ah, my face!
Your wig looks fine,
I
alright?
got my face though.
I think we're gonna do Gangnam Style after this.
Again?
Yeah, it's like at the end.
Right.
It should be like our trademark.
Gangnam Style is our I can't do Gangnam Style with my stupid skirt.
I'm still not good at doing Gangnam Style.
I can take my glasses off.
Say bye behind the scenes. Bye! I'm the Red Black Star! And I am gonna surpass God! Woohoo! No! Don't take my spotlight! I will surpass God! And I'm the best assassin! Ha! Hey! Wishes!
Stop where you're getting at.
No one is a bigger star than I am! Yahoo! That's not true! I will surpass God!
Oh my God,
Guys!
Oh, from when he fell.
I'm doing the highest of all of you!
You want to bet? No, I don't want to bet.
We're gonna do Gangnam Style! Woo! Yeah!
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일